Hello everyone, this is a video regarding for the tutorial how to download LinkedIn in your iOS. First of all, we have to open App Store. Tap on the App Store icon on your iOS device, home screen. Here it is. After that, we have to go on search button for the search for LinkedIn. We have to search LinkedIn. After selecting the LinkedIn, from the search result, tap on the official LinkedIn app developed by LinkedIn Corporation. Install the app, tap to get button next to LinkedIn app. You need to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Now we can download it from here. Now wait for the download and installation. The app will be downloaded and installed automatically. Thank you.